In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a power steering reservoir on a Honda Accord, located in the engine compartment on the driver's side. So we're going to remove the cover, and I have a syringe type thing, so we're going to want to remove the fluid. We're going to replace it with the proper fluid from the manufacturer. Some cars are very technical about their power steering fluid and what they use, and some not so much. Honda's been known as kind of critical. Remove it and dispose of it in an oil bucket or the proper way. All right, so I'm going to put the cover back on now that I've taken all that I can out. And on these reservoirs, it's just a bracket that mounts on the back, and you're just going to grab it firmly, twist a little bit, and lift up. And that comes right out of the bracket. You get two hoses here, one going to the power steering pump, and the other one goes down to the rack or the cooler, whichever it has. And it's just a pair of regular pliers, the clamps are. So I'm going to take the pliers and go underneath, use my secret vision, see if I can find the clamp style. Squeeze it, worked, yay. There's one. Let's do the same to the other side. And here she comes. Just going to put a rag underneath it because it is going to have some residual. So now I'm just going to take some parts cleaner and I'm going to spray my area. I'll wipe it up. Line up the hoses. It's really important whenever you reuse the old clamps. These seem like they have some good tension to them, but you want to put them, see how that hose is marked? Always put them back the way they were. If not, you will get a little seep of a leak. And that is just me telling you because it's happened. And we'll take the smaller hose. Line that up. Let's see what we can do here. And we have to spin this. There we go. Looking good. Now you see that little wedge back there? I'll take a rag and clean it up. All right, now we're going to go get the proper power steering fluid. Let's see what the cap says. Use only genuine power steering fluid. There you go. Let's go get some. So let's take the new cap off that it comes with, and we are going to start pouring the fluid in. That's nice. You can see the actual level, unlike the old one that was so stained you couldn't even read it. What I would do here is I would start the carb and run it and turn the steering wheel back and forth a couple of times. This fluid might go down just a hair, not much, because obviously we didn't drain the pump and we just changed the reservoir. But double check it after you run it. So I filled it to the upper because obviously some came out of the hose and that's going to suck down. Once this car is driven, and if there's any air in this, which there shouldn't be because I didn't obviously run out of fluid, there's no massive leak where I had to add. You want it to be in between those two lines. Ideally, that's what it wants to be. This fluid does expand when it gets warm. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.